we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a wonderful Saturday so far. Today I'm decorating my table for Valentine's and the theme is black and gold Hollywood glam. I didn't have many gold items. These charger plates are from Home Bargains, $4.99 each, and I'm using a fabric that I had in the center as a runner. I only had 2 white heart-shaped plates, so that's what I'm using. We are going to pretend that is for mom and dad and the other 2 is for children. I didn't have any suitable items for the centerpieces, so I had to do a lot of DIYs, and let me show you what I've done. I came up with 2 centerpieces and this is the first one. I had to be very resourceful for these DIYs. I'm using my black marbles pot toppers from a garden center that I already had, and this beaded garland I also had is from B&M stores. These crystal hangers was a Christmas decor from the Rain store a few years ago. Black ostrich feathers are new items from Amazon. I had some gold baubles from Christmas that did not look like baubles, so I'm using that in the center as well. I recently bought a black 4 candle set from Dunelm and I'm using 2 of them to decorate my table. I'm going to repeat the same thing that I always tell you. You don't need a lot of money, you just need some imagination, some inspiration to turn what you have into beautiful home decor pieces. And I hope this video is inspiring you to take your home to the next level on a budget. I'm going to use these Bailey's bottles from Tesco, I think it was Tesco brand, into candle holders. I am just glamming it up using some gold, very glittered ribbons. I don't like where the candle meets the bottle, so I'm just making a little room to disguise the end of the candle. For the second centerpiece, I'm using a wine bottle that I spray painted gold and I wrapped around fairy lights, and this was in my stash black and gold netting material, and this is a beautiful lady's gown and she's going to have a black choker with a gigantic diamond. Let's pretend. I ordered black napkins, but it didn't arrive while I was recording this video, so I had to be very creative with my napkins. This video is part of Valentine's series that I'm doing with my friends Ellen, Anne and Denise, and this one is the first one. We have 4 more to go, so during 5 weeks we are going to give you feast for your eyes. 5 weeks, 5 completely different theme of tablescapes, Valentine's tablescapes that we cannot wait to share with you. During the last week you will have a chance to join us as well, because it will be an open collab. The playlist is in my description box below. You will see Ellen's, Anne's and Denise's beautiful tablescapes as well, and I cannot wait to go and watch them.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss. Many years have gone by, many tears have dried out. I know that I will be with you as long as you still want me to. All the things we've been through, everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Yeah, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know.
If you are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Shule and I'm so happy that you're here. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you like what you see.
Baby, it took just
I'm done, but you're not done yet. Don't forget to go to the playlist and watch all the other participants' gorgeous tablescapes. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.